it's this time exposition and you have bought buggies, and could you tell us about the concept of these buggies, how this would be?
Yeah, basically, what we have done is we thought of getting in these buggies, around 14 of them, to facilitate the senior citizens and people with disabilities to ensure that they have a very smooth movement to the place of veneration and to the church. We would be placing them some at the parking lots wherein they can be transported from the parking lots to the veneration points, and we will be placing some inside the cathedral itself, because the distance from the gate of the cathedral to the veneration point is quite a distance. So this will also reduce the requirement of wheelchairs. Of course, wheelchairs would be available at the veneration area. So the devotees would be dropped at the point of the veneration, and from within the cathedral, a volunteer would handle the senior citizen or a required person with a disability to use the wheelchair for veneration. After veneration is over, the devotee can be dropped just outside through a ramp and will be ferried across again by the buggy back to the parking area, where the vehicle can take the devotee home.
So this will especially help the persons with disability, especially elder sick people.
Absolutely. Besides the buggies, we have also brought in e-rickshaws, wherein a wheelchair itself can go inside the e-rickshaw. And these e-rickshaws would be around 17 in number. So we are trying to facilitate as much as possible people with some difficulties in walking, senior citizens, elderly people, so that we would like to give a very sort of a smooth experience to them during this exposition.